Today we're going to take a look at some PlayStation 5 controller grips. So I have picked up 3 grips from different stores, online stores, and we're going to look at their build quality and which one is better for the PlayStation 5 controller. So basically the first one we got was from Amazon, and this is a silicone based one, and the second one we got was from Wicked Grips, and the third one we got from, I got 2 of them from PlayVital. Alright, so the silicone is a rubbery type of material, okay? And you get 2 thumb grips for your joysticks, and then you get a bunch of other thumb grips for your joysticks. You get the tall one and you got skinny ones too. Alright, so we're gonna put this on. This is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna go through the video real quick. I'm gonna fast forward it. Alright, so we're back. Okay, so basically this grip is just to make your controller look more prettier. It doesn't have any grip. It's not like, it does have a good build quality. The colors are pretty. It's all black and white, shows pretty good on the controller. And there's some magenta in there. So basically you have to make some fine-tune adjustments, and you can see that they did a good job reconstructing this grip. So basically I would get this grip if you want to make your controller look pretty on the shelf somewhere. Buy a different kind of them and they'll look pretty. Alright, so the next thing is we're going to apply some thumb grips to the joystick. So basically all you have to do is just wrap thumbstick around your thumb and just apply it and roll it off onto the controller's joystick. It's pretty easy. Alright, after that just do some fine-tune adjustments to it and you're done. And after applying the second one, do the same thing, roll it off to your thumb and onto the controller's joystick. Pretty much I like these one better than the other ones that came with the grips. Alright, so these are the one I'm talking about. These are just awful. These are not even worth buying them if you're going to be buying them. They just give it to you for free everywhere. Every controller grip gives it to you for free. So basically this one was kind of giving me a hard time getting on top of the joysticks for the controller, but I got it on. Right, so after that it does make the joystick a little bit taller. If you like tall joysticks that has more better control on them, then this is for you, but it comes off easily while you're playing the game. Alright, so basically the next one we got is from the Wicked Grips. In the Wicked Grips we get a sticker and 2 of the grips, left and right, and also joystick covers. And we get these 2 stickers so you can put them on top of that. Alright, for instructions, they're inside the box. Just rip it apart and the instructions are right there. But we don't need it. I'll show you how to install this well an easy way. Alright, so what you have to do is place them as you see right here in the video. Alright, so the sticker will go into that circle, but we will put that later on into the video when we're finished putting the grip onto the controller. Alright, so basically you have to match the W's and the 2 holes up top. Same thing on the right side grip, you have to do it. Alright, so basically all you have to do is match the lines on the controller's opening to the grips. Make sure you see them through your holes that they provided on the grip. Basically you align it. I had some trouble aligning it because, you know, first do it with the sticker on, then remove the sticker, and then just try to apply it as much as you can Okay, so the difficulty level on this was kind of okay, but I had to take it off and on off of the controller, and the grip overlaps on this side. So you might want to push the grip up a little bit more towards the L1 button. All right, so the right side, I was able to push the grip up a little bit upside to the R1 and then match the inline of the controller and so on. Just wrap it around the controller like that. So it should look like that. As you can see on the left hand side, it's overlapping, but on the right side, it isn't. All right, time to apply the stickers. So place the stickers where they belong and you're finished with this controller. Okay, so you have to make a small minor adjustments to the grip. As you can see right here, we still have some bubbles to take out, some air. We need to align it with the controller really good. So basically, if you take your time, you can do it. As you can see, one side is up on the top right hand. The right hand side is pretty good, is well seated, as you can see, compared to the left hand side. So you do need to push it a little bit up so you don't make the same mistakes as I did in this controller. Basically, you have to align it with the, as you can see, I'm still misaligned a little bit on the left-hand side of the controller. Okay, so overall, this controller grip is pretty nice. It's rigid. It has better grip, and it looks pretty awesome when you apply it to the controller, black and white. Pretty awesome. All right, so the next grip is gonna be from PlayVital. It comes with the grips, and then it comes with the wipes and a cleaning cloth. So to apply this material to the controller, just on the left hand side, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start underneath the controller, and then you just follow the white outline from the black on the controller and just smoothly apply it. And as you go, when you're applying it, make sure there's no air in there, no bubbles. So you just go around the controller and apply it as you see fit. And then we're gonna do is make some minor adjustments here, and then we're gonna go apply it. Same thing on the other side. From the bottom of the controller, right hand side, follow the white outline. And this one is much more easier to apply rather than the Wicked Grip. Okay, basically the pros and cons. Pros of this one was that it is flexible, it's skid proof, and it's grease free. It has a foamy cushion layer at the bottom, increase the cushioning size. And it's a cushion, it's a honeycomb texture on the surface. It keeps your hand cool and it's easy to remove. It's a high quality grip, and it is not smooth as the Wicked Grip, but it has a quality to it. Now, as for the Wicked Grip, it is both of these are like for moisture and sweat, so it keeps your hand dry. And also these Wicked Grip prevents skin irritations and is odorless. They're both odorless. They're both washable. You can wash them with soap and water. And the Wicked Grip has multiple expansion holes, which makes the application quick and easy, but I doubt that. It doesn't make it easy to apply the controller. It was pretty hard. Between these both of these, the smoothness of Wicked Grip was a little bit too high, and the smoothness of PlayVital was okay. Now, as for the silicone grip, is just to make your controller look pretty. But if you like it, you like it. The only con was that I had a pretty hard time pressing the start button on this one when I wanted to pause the game. Basically, okay, so the pros of this one is that it's easy to remove. This grip is easy to remove. As you can see right here, it doesn't leave any glue behind on the controller or any kind of a residue. As for Wicked Grips, when you try to remove it, it is hard to remove. And you can see that there's always a glue leaving behind on the controller. So basically this grip is for permanent use only. If you keep on removing and applying it back, the glue will, over time, fade away from the controller. Basically, it'll be unusable. All right, so thanks for watching. All the links are in the description. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more content. I try my best. and peace out.